Have you ever deleted a video from your iPhone and instantly regretted it? Don't panic just yet. There are a few ways you can try to get it back. And the good news is, you may not even need a backup. First, check the recently deleted folder. Open the Photos app. Then tap Albums. Scroll down and find Recently Deleted. Here you'll see photos and videos that were deleted recently. Tap the video you want to recover. Then tap Recover. That's it. The video should return to your library. But what if it's not there? This is where things get a little more complicated. If you use iCloud Photos, check your iCloud account. Sometimes your deleted video may still be available there, depending on your settings and when it was removed. You can also check your iCloud backup. If you had a backup from before the video was deleted, restoring your iPhone from that backup may bring the video back. But there's an important catch. Restoring an old backup can replace newer data on your iPhone. So, make sure you understand what you're doing before choosing this option. And if you don't have a backup, you can try checking other places where the video may have been saved. For example, Google Photos, OneDrive, Dropbox, Messages, or social media apps. Personally, I'd start with Recently Deleted. It's the fastest and safest option. Then check your cloud services. Only consider restoring a backup as a last resort. Also, avoid downloading random recovery apps that promise guaranteed results. Some can be unreliable or even risky. So, if you accidentally deleted an important video, don't give up immediately. Check Recently Deleted first. Then look through your backups and cloud storage. You might still be able to recover it.